What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel Investment Pro. If you are new, consider subscribing to my channel as I share my personal opinions on SPACs, growth stocks and investing. Today we are discussing Opes business combination with Burgerfi, special meeting to approve this merger, key date, future prospects of Burgerfi, recent financial results, upcoming locations and so forth. So stay tuned. On December 1st, Opes Acquisition Corp announces special stockholder meeting to approve business combination with Burgerfi on December 15, 2020. Meeting, Opes Acquisition had sent out a notification to stockholders to vote on this merger, and they will have a special meeting on December 15 to approve this merger. Stockholders will be able to attend this meeting by using the following dial-in numbers. Your vote is really important no matter how many shares you own, right? You are encouraged to submit your vote as soon as possible. So if you should have received a notification from Opes Acquisition Corp via email or in your broker account, to vote on this merger. So if you're holding the shares of Opes, in my opinion, you should be approving this merger business combination of Opes with Burgerfi. Depending on your broker, right? If you're using E-Trade, you should have received a similar email, to vote on this merger. So I had this email, I think this week, and I had voted already. I voted for. I approved this business combination of Opes with Burgerfi because I'm invested in this Burgerfi. I do have stocks of Opes and I love their business, and I'm confident that this business is great. They're expanding, they're opening so many locations, and they are globally, locally, and they are everywhere. They're doing great. The key thing is, how do they differentiate from other burger companies, right? So if you compare Burgerfi with Shake Shack, Habit, Five Guys or Smash Burger, you can see Burgerfi is using natural antibiotic free, plant-based protein, craft beer and wine, premium frozen custard desserts, eco-friendly and sustainable design, right? They are taking all the boxes in compared to their peers. So they are covering A to Z. Let's look at their financial figures from their recent investor presentation. So you can see in 2019, system-wide revenue was at 145.8 million. In 2020, they had 120 in the range of their revenue was in the range of 125 million to 130. I think that was due to the pandemic, and there was a little bit of a slowdown there in 2020. But they are expecting that system-wide revenue to grow to 160 million to 165 million in 2021. And beyond that, in 2020 they are expecting to touch 200 and 225 million in system-wide revenue. If you look at their total company revenue, they had 34.2 million in 2019, and in 2020 they had a business around 30 to 34 million. There's a little bit of downside, right? But they expect that to grow to 45 to 55 million in 2021, and in 2022 they expect that to grow to 75 million. If you look at their store count, right, the black is the franchise business, the green is corporate locations, and the great thing is that is something new. The newly added the ghost kitchens, right? In 2019 they had 97 franchise business and 14 corporate locations. They grew that to 102 franchise business and 17 corporate units. In total, they had 119 units. In 2021, they expect the franchise business to grow to 115 to 125. There's a big jump there, and the corporate locations to grow from 17 to 35 to 45. And on top of that, they plan to start ghost kitchens. So that's another addition to the units. In 2022, they are expecting the franchise business to touch 135 to 145, and the corporate locations to increase to 60 to 70, and the ghost kitchens, right, they expect that to grow to 30 to 40 units, right? They are expecting profitable and disciplined growth, leveraging scale while prudently managing expenses. Revenue growth expected to further accelerate beyond 2021 due to increased corporate stores count and significant franchise expansion. So they expect the business to grow in 2021. They have also expanded on customer experience by integrating with third-party delivery couriers, for example, Postmate, DoorDash, Grubhub and Uber Eats. So these are the new revenue channels through a direct digital delivery experience. So this is much needed, during the pandemic, so that they can fulfill their orders, they can take orders, and they can maintain their revenue stream. BurgerFi currently has a large geographic footprint, wider than several of its better burger competitors. They are showing current and anticipated BurgerFi US locations. The dark green is existing BurgerFi locations, and the lighter green is under constructions or accepted locations. And yellow things the new addition ghost kitchens, and they also have a tie-up with the Air Force bases. BurgerFi is a dominant Better Burger brand in Florida. BurgerFi leads Better Burger competition in 4 other southeastern states. BurgerFi plans to continue aggressively develop companies' restaurants in South Central and North Florida. Focus on defining key market cluster cities for future company growth in Southeast and Mid-Atlantic. Target areas include Atlanta, Nashville, Charlotte, Richmond, and other major cities. So they are expanding like anything. You can see from this slide that they're gonna expand in 2021, right? In total, they're gonna be 17 new company-owned units opening in 2021, and on top of company-owned units, they're gonna have 15 additional franchise units. So in total, they will have 32 new units in 2021. They also plan to expand at the international level. They already has a presence in Puerto Rico and Kuwait, but they gonna use contacts of their newly appointed BurgerFi CEO Julio Ramirez. So Julio Ramirez has a great experience in food industry at the international level, so they're gonna use his experience to expand on international front. Given success of QSR in Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America, and Middle East, Better Burger expansion opportunity is extensive. So they're gonna expand locally in US, in different states, plus the international level. So they are growing. BurgerFi had signed a license agreement with Reef Technology in April 2020. They're gonna use Reef Kitchen's ecosystem to expand on delivery only. They're gonna expand on Reef Kitchens, and they are known as ghost kitchens in US. So they're gonna expand on that ecosystem. BurgerFi is committed to having 25 operating ghost kitchens by December 31st, 2021. So, on top of franchise business and corporate units, they're going to expand on ghost kitchens in US. BurgerFi is currently in the beginning stages of working with other major ghost kitchens operators, including Cloud Kitchens and Epic Kitchens. So on top of Reef Kitchens, they are looking to have a license agreement with Cloud Kitchens and Epic Kitchens. So they're gonna expand on this side as well. BurgerFi also had a license agreement with the U.S. Air Force Activity Services since October 2019, and they are looking to expand on that in 2021 and 2022. You can see they're gonna expand the BurgerFi to Phoenix, Tucson, Aurora, Warner Robins, Omaha, and other locations. BurgerFi will continue to pursue other potential military partnerships. So on top of local and international, they also have a partnership with the U.S. Air Force. So they are expanding on a different market units. So guys, in my opinion, not a financial advice, BurgerFi will do well since they are already in the business. They are expanding locally, they are expanding at an international level. They have a partnership with US Air Force. They are looking to expand the military partnerships. So they are doing good. There's a revenue stream, there's a business there. They recently had a new CEO. I think they're gonna do well in future. I'm holding their stocks and I'm looking forward for this merger. Let me know your thoughts. Are you gonna trade the SPAC? Are you gonna hold this stock for long term? What are your thoughts? Let me know. I'm looking to hear your comments. Okay guys, so thanks for your time and thanks for tuning in. Take care. Thank you. Bye.